Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Mexicans leave Mexico. Many individuals choose to emigrate primarily due to significant economic disparities between their home country and others. They often seek improved job prospects and higher wages to support their families. Additionally, pressing social issues and concerns about personal safety are crucial factors influencing these difficult decisions. Understanding these multifaceted reasons helps us grasp the complexities of migration patterns. Economic factors are a primary driver for many Mexicans seeking new lives elsewhere. For instance, wage differentials can be 4 times higher in countries like the United States, offering a significant incentive. Mexico often faces challenges with limited economic opportunities and persistent poverty rates, pushing people to look for alternatives. Many migrants aim for stable employment in sectors such as agriculture and construction, hoping to secure a better financial future for themselves and their loved ones. Beyond economics, social and safety pressures heavily influence migration. High crime rates and pervasive violence, often linked to cartel activity, create an environment of fear for many families. Furthermore, limited access to quality education and adequate healthcare services in certain regions can prompt individuals to seek better provisions elsewhere. Political instability and ongoing corruption within the country also contribute to a sense of uncertainty, compelling some to look for more secure environments. The movement of people has profound impacts on both Mexico and the countries they move to. Migrants often send billions of dollars in remittances back home, which significantly supports their families and boosts the Mexican economy. This financial flow is vital for many communities. Looking ahead, these migration patterns continue to evolve with global economic shifts and policy changes. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.